Good Thursday evening, and thanks for checking out this weather update. We have a chance of scattered storms across the area the next several hours. Localized heavy rain is possible, but we'll clear things out as we go throughout the day tomorrow with decreasing rain chances. We'll see some sunshine as well, pleasant temperatures, and then for the weekend, chance of some storms Saturday afternoon and evening. That will give way to a beautiful looking Sunday. So Sunday looks really nice right now. So here's that 7-day forecast. We'll keep a 30% rain chance in there tomorrow morning, probably before 9 o'clock or so. I think as we go through the day, that chance will shift south of us, and we're going to see increasing amounts of sunshine. This evening, though, you can see a few scattered storms working through, and it's that chance that lingers into early tomorrow. But overall, we trend dry. We'll see some sunshine for the afternoon, high of 78. Saturday morning looks good, but Saturday afternoon, around mid-afternoon, we're going to bring in some scattered showers and storms, which will continue throughout Saturday evening. So be planning for that there if you have evening plans on Saturday. Not a washout, but there will be some scattered storms. Sunday looks beautiful. We're going to dry things back out. Highs in the low 70s. And look at early next week. We've got a great stretch of weather coming here, guys. From Sunday through Tuesday, sunshine. We have a temperature on Monday of 69 degrees, a low of 49 Monday morning and Tuesday morning. So a nice little change coming our way as we go into early next week. We'll bring back our next chance of rain by the time we get to Wednesday of next week. Thanks for checking out your forecast update. Have a great evening.